Welcome students to today's session. We will study the different types of combustion today. We can categorize combustion into three main categories: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosion. Let us look into what they are. Rapid combustion is combustion in which a substance burns rapidly and produces heat and light with the help of external heat. That is, you have to supply heat to it to reach the ignition temperature. Example is burning of LPG or burning of a kerosene stove. This is retained, that is, this burning is retained till the presence of fuel. Next, let us see what is spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous combustion is a combustion in which a substance burns spontaneously and produces heat and light without the help of external heat. That is, the material gets into combustion in room temperature itself. This is called as spontaneous combustion. Example, phosphorus burns spontaneously at room temperature. Next is an explosion reaction. Explosion is a combustion in which the substance suddenly produces heat and light and sound with the help of heat or pressure. This is seen in the explosion of crackers, and it finishes off within a few minutes. So these are the different types of combustion. This is the picturized version of the three different types of combustion: rapid combustion, burning of LPG stove; spontaneous combustion, where combustion takes place without the supply of heat; and explosive reaction, which lasts for a few minutes only. Let us look into the structure of a flame. Flame is a zone of combustion of combustible substance. The substance which vaporizes during burning produces the flame. Example, kerosene, vapors of wax, etc. Substances which do not vaporize during burning do not produce flames. Example, coal, charcoal, etc. You can see the pictures here: kerosene and wax, which is vapor producing flames; coal and charcoal, which glows with light and heat. Let us look into the structure of a candle flame. Very important this is. You have to draw the picture and learn the parts of this. A candle flame has got three zones: the outer zone, the middle zone, and the inner zone. The outer zone is bluish in color, non-luminous. That means it is less light producing and more heat producing. And complete combustion undergoes in this zone because it is in the outermost. It is in touch with oxygen, which is supporter of combustion. Complete combustion undergoes, that is why it is blue in color, and it produces maximum heat. The middle zone is yellow in color. It produces more light than heat. It is called as the luminous zone, and partial combustion takes place there. It is moderately hot. The third region, the inner zone, is black color due to unburned wax vapors, and it is the least hot zone of a flame. So these three different zones and their properties are to be studied and understood. This is the description of the structure of candle flame: the outer zone, the middle zone, and the inner zone. The outer zone, complete combustion of fuel takes place and the color of the flame is blue, which is the hottest part of the flame. It is the non-luminous part of the flame. The middle zone, partial combustion of fuel takes place and the color of the flame is yellow. It is moderately hot. It is luminous part of the flame. And the inner zone, there are unburned vapors of fuel. The color is black and it is the least hot part of the flame. So with this, we end today's session. Thank you, children.